In our problem we have 135 times 135 divided by 135 divided by 135. And because according to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong. Okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have 135 times 135, which equals 18,225. Rewrite our problem and we get 18,225 divided by 135 divided by 135. So we have to work from left to right. 18,225 divided by 135, which equals 135 divided by 135, which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.